are you doing, sexy humans of the internet? Have you missed me? You can totally say yes if you have. I'm sure you've not been watching any other tutorials, right? Today we'll be doing this rewind effect, or I guess it could be fast forward. I've already made the thumbnail, so I'm sticking with rewind. So first we're gonna start off by getting lost in Rihanna's eyes. I remember when Work came out. Next, I've already split the part of the clip I want the effect on using Ctrl+Shift+D, and I want where the effect is going to be roughly, I don't know, like 3 seconds long. So now we're gonna add the effect sRandom edits, which does all the work. Did I mention you need Sapphire for this effect? Because you do. Like 50% of the tutorial is already done and we're 1 minute in. I think I'm just guessing, to be honest. But now you're looking at this and you're like, but how can you make it better? Now you'd want to transition to kick it all off, so we're going to create an adjustment layer and split it with Ctrl+Shift+D again. A frame or two long is okay. Add the exposure effect and just crank this up. Now we're going to duplicate the adjustment layer and move it to the other side. Oh my god, you just move. Now for the last step, you can add CC motion blur and change the motion blur samples to like 50. But that's super heavy and my laptop is 1 RAM away from being a toaster. So instead I use the RSMB plugin and the motion blur looks way better. And with that we're done. Yay! But since this tutorial is super short, I'm going to use this opportunity to show you my new Pure Opium preset pack. So I'll just open up the presets and go to Pure Opium and we'll do the Opium reverse, and you get the Opium version of the whole reverse look. There are over 25 drag and drop presets, including text presets, and they are all an overworked editor needs to get that clean Opium effect. Use code GOODSHIT to get $5 off. If you want to support the channel, consider it, or you could just like and subscribe too. I will appreciate that. So see you in the next one, cutie.